Good nail brushes are key to perfect nail art. Today we will teach you how to choose nail art brush. This oval brush perfect for beginners. It can be used for applying solid gel without any streak. You can also use it to apply builder gel to strengthen your natural nails. This is Snow Brush. It's very simple to do ombre or marble design with this brush. You just need to dip a little gel polish, and then lightly press repeatedly on the nail. Fan brush. With the help of this fan brush, you can easily create ombre effect, different strokes patterns. You can also apply glitters to your design and remove the excess glitters on your nails. Then liner brush. It is easy to use it for the creation of various lines and stripes. Apart from the lines, it is also a good choice for a variety of detailed patterns and designs. This is Art Brush. If you want to draw smaller petals, we recommend you to choose it. Of course, it can also be used for coloring. Mini Oval Brush. In most cases, it is used to create a different shade patterns, mostly floral one. The last is French Nail Brush. It is great for creating French nail design. Now, choose the brushes you need.